Arithmetic Progression, Exercise 1.1, Question number 3. From the following arithmetic progression, write the first term and the common difference. Here they given one arithmetic progression, and in that we should find out first term and the common difference. Here first problem, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. The first term here, this is a1 and a both are same. This is a1, this one is a2, a3, a4, so on. Now the first term is 3, therefore the first term a is equal to 3. The common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. Now this one is a2 and this one is a1. Now a2 value is 1, a1 value is 3. Now 1 minus 3. Now 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2.
Third main second problem. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, so on. In this we should find out a first term and the common difference. Now this is a1, a2, a3, a4. Now see here, always a1 is first term. Now the first term is a and a1 both are same. A is equal to minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. The common difference d is equal to a2 minus 1. Here a2 minus 1 and a1 minus 5. Here minus 1 minus of minus 5, that is equal to minus 1, minus into minus plus 5, that is equal to 4. Now here common difference is 4. Now third problem, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, so on. In this also we should find out first term and common difference. Here this is a1, a2, a3, a4, so on. Always a1 is the first term. Here a1 is equal to 1 by 2. That means the first term a1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. That means 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 get cancelled. That is equal to d here, a2, d here 0. Common difference is 0. First term is 1 by 2 and common difference is 0. Now fourth problem, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, so on. Here a1 is 0.6, a2 is 1.7, a3 is 2.8, a4 3.9, so on. The first term is a1. That means the first term a is equal to 0.6 and the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. Here a2 is 1.7 minus a1 0.6. 1.7 minus 0.6 is equal to 1.1. Now fourth main. Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. See, which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, what we should find out? Find the common difference and write 3 more next terms. Now, first one, 2, 4, 8, 16, so on. Here d is equal to what? a2 minus a1. See here, a1 is 2, a2 is 4, a3 8, a4 16. See, this is arithmetic progression or not, how we should check? We should find out the common difference. Now d is equal to a2 minus a1. D is equal to a2 is 4, a1 is 2. That means 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now D3 is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is 8 minus A2 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now here common difference is not same. Here 2 and here 4 not same. Therefore, A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression because here common difference are not same. Now second one, 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2 so on. Here A1 is 2, A2 is 5 by 2, A3 is 3, A4 is 7 by 2. Now A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is equal to A2 5 by 2 minus A1 2. Here LCM is 2, 5 minus, here 2 we are multiplying with 2, 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now A3 minus A2, that is equal to A3 3 minus A2 5 by 2. Here LCM is 2. Here 3 we are multiplying with 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 5 by 2. 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. Now A4 minus A3. A4 is 7 by 2 minus A3 3. Here LCM is 2. 7 minus this 3 we are multiplying with 2. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 by 2. 7 minus 6 is equal to 7 minus 6, 1 by 2. Here all the common difference are same. Here all the common difference are same. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given list of number forms an arithmetic progression with the common difference 1 by 2. In the question again they are asking find the next 3 terms. Here the next 3 terms in this arithmetic progression are, first write down the question, 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2. Here A1 is 2, A2 is 5 by 2, A3 is 3, A4 is 7 by 2. Now here A4 up to A4, here it is there. Now we should find out A5. A5 is equal to A4 plus D, that means preceding term plus common difference. Now A5 preceding term means A4. A4 plus common difference D. Here A4 is 1 by 2 plus common difference 1 by 2. Sorry, A4 is 7 by 2 plus common difference 1 by 2. Here both the denominators are same. We should add the numerators. That means 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2. 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now A5 is equal to 4. Now A6 is equal to, here A5 plus D. A5 value is 4 plus D 1 by 2. Here LCM is 2. This 4 is multiplying with 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 by 2. Now seventh term is equal to A6 plus D. A6 value is 9 by 2 plus D 1 by 2. Here both the denominators are same, then automatically add the numerators. That means 9 plus 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Now A7 is 5. Therefore, the next 3 terms of this arithmetic progression are 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2 comma here 4 comma 9 by 2 comma 5. Fourth main, third problem. See, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, so on. Here A1 is minus 1.2, A2 is minus 3.2, A3 is minus 5.2, A4 is minus 7.2, so on. First we should check whether it is a arithmetic progression or not. For that we should find out common difference. Now A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 3.2 minus of A1 minus 1.2. Now minus 3.2, here minus into minus plus 1.2. Now minus 3.2 plus 1.2. Here 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 5.2 minus of A2 minus 3.2. Here minus 5.2 minus into minus plus 3.2. Here 5.2 minus 3.2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now here minus 2. A4 minus A3. Minus 7.2 minus of minus A3 value minus 5.2. Again minus 7.2 minus into minus plus 5.2. 7.2 plus 5.2 is equal to minus 2. Here all the common difference are same. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. Therefore, the given list of numbers form an arithmetic progression with the common difference d is equal to minus 2. Now, we should find out the next three terms. The next three terms of this AP are minus 1.2. First write down the question. Minus 1.2 comma minus 3.2 comma minus 5.2 comma minus 7.2. Now this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now A5 is equal to A5 preceding term is A4 plus D. A4 plus D. Here A4 is minus 7.2 plus of D value minus 2. Minus 7.2. Here plus into minus minus 2. Minus 7.2 minus 2 is equal to minus 9.2. Now A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 value minus 9.2 plus of D value minus 2. Minus 9.2 plus into minus minus 2. 9.2 minus 2 is equal to minus 11.2. Here A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 value minus 11.2 plus of D value minus 2. Now minus 11.2 plus into minus minus 2. Minus 11.2 minus 2 is equal to minus 13.2. The next three terms of this AP is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2. Okay, now fourth question. Minus 10 comma minus 6 comma minus 2 comma plus 2, so on. Now here A1 is minus 10, A2 is minus 6, A3 minus 2, A4 plus 2. Now first we should check whether it is a arithmetic progression or not. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 10. Minus 6 minus into minus plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4. A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 2 minus into minus plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. Now A4 minus A3 is equal to 2 minus of minus 2. 2 minus into minus plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now here all the common differences are same. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression with the common difference d is equal to 4. The next three terms of this arithmetic progression now we should find out. Now write down the question. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Here minus 10 is A1, this is A2, A3, A4. Now A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Here A4 is 2, 2 plus 4. Common difference 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 value is 6 plus common difference 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 value is 10. 10 plus common difference 4. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Therefore, the next three terms of this arithmetic progression are minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 to 6, 10, 14.